Unveiling the Shadows. Understanding to have a dark side. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in English conversations: to have a dark side. This expression is rich in meaning and can add depth to your understanding of character descriptions. So, if you're ready to explore the complexities of human nature and how we talk about it in English, you're in the right place. To have a dark side refers to the aspect of a person's character that is often hidden and considered negative or undesirable. This could encompass traits like jealousy, anger, or deceit, which a person might usually keep concealed. The term suggests that everyone has parts of themselves that are not always pleasant or socially acceptable. It's a recognition of the complexity of human nature, acknowledging that we all have facets that we might not be proud of. You might hear this phrase used in various contexts. For example, in personal reflections, "I'm trying to come to terms with my dark side." When discussing others, "He seems nice, but everyone has a dark side." In literature and media, characters in books and movies are often described as having a dark side to add depth to their personalities. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to both oneself and others, highlighting the universal nature of having less favorable traits. When using the phrase, "to have a dark side," it's important to do so with sensitivity. It can be a powerful way to discuss human complexity and the moral ambiguities we all face. However, remember to avoid using it to unjustly criticize or stereotype others. Instead, focus on its role in encouraging empathy and understanding that no one is perfect. Understanding and using the phrase, "to have a dark side," can enrich your English conversations, allowing you to discuss the complexities of human behavior with nuance. Remember, acknowledging our dark sides isn't about fostering negativity, it's about embracing the full spectrum of human experience. We hope this exploration has shed some light on this fascinating phrase and its use in the English language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.